What in the world ChatGPT is? The short answer is it is a chatbot powered by regenerative AI which can have interactive conversations. It is based on its sibling model InteractGPT, which was also designed by OpenAI to follow instructions and give in-detail answers. But on the other hand, ChatGPT interacts in conversational way, and the dialogue format makes it possible to answer follow-up questions, admit its own mistakes, and reject the inappropriate request by the user. For example, I will ask ChatGPT to explain quantum computing in simple terms. You can see how fast it does answer. It have given me 4-line quick simple description of quantum computing. But now as it remembers previous conversations we have with it, I can ask it to include types of quantum computers and rewrite. Now it has rewritten the answer along with type of quantum computers. And the best thing about ChatGPT is it is not limited to answering questions and generating content. I can also ask it to write code. Let's say, generate a code for a website to display date and time. And it generates within seconds, and it also lets you copy the code. Awesome, right? Well, chatbots are not a new concept. Microsoft tried it with Tray, and Meta has developed Blendorbot 3. But we all know how drastic failure they all are. From racist comments to misleading information, they were a nightmare. To avoid all this, ChatGPT uses moderation API, which allows developers to keep things checked in their content moderation policy. And it also declines inappropriate requests. Let's say, if I ask ChatGPT how to make a bomb, well, that was rude, but it declines it, and that is good. ChatGPT model has been trained over 570 GB of text data, which allows it to recognize patterns and relationship between words and phrases. It has been trained using RLHF model, which is reinforced learning from human feedback. Despite all the good, ChatGPT has certain limitations, like it has limited knowledge of events occurred after 2021. It lacks contextual knowledge to the things that we ask to it. Like if I ask to ChatGPT, tell me about Python. So it will get confused between Python as a snake or Python as a programming language. The ChatGPT relies heavily on the training data. The answers we get is based on the learnings it had from the training data. So it might be sometimes biased. ChatGPT does remember your conversations, but it is for the short term. It lacks the ability to remember the conversations for long term. Well, it has some ethical implications, and we have to think about the threat and challenges it possesses to humanity, especially when students can use it to answer exam questions and coders can use it to do their code, which is not ethical. This might be shocking, but it helps OpenAI to fix the loopholes and find a workaround to make it better. As it is being publicly tested, it is getting better and better every day, and we have to think about the positives. It is now free to use, but OpenAI is slowly rolling out the paid version, which is rumored to cost around $42. I think it has the next era-defining innovation. Generative AI will surely define how humans interact with the internet in the future. You should really check out the ChatGPT. I have linked it below in the description. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the future.